talk to you about causes of neck pain, but also solutions to neck pain. So we dealt with the what kind of exercise can you do for the muscles of the neck. Now I want to deal with the soft tissue, in particular meaning the ligaments and the disc of the neck. Now remember that ligaments are not like muscles, they're not like rubber bands, they don't stretch and then come back, okay? They're very taut, they're stiff, and they hold structures together. So they tie bones to bones. The disc, like that, is also made of cartilage, and it holds things together, and so it's cushions in between the bones. So the ligaments literally help add rigidity and strength to your spine. Now, so what happens if they're also not doing their job and you end up with forward head syndrome leading to chronic neck pain, okay, or some other type of condition that is causing neck pain? I'm going to tell you how to deal with this, because you can't deal with this with an exercise. Remember, they're not like muscles, they respond differently. So to change that, you're going to need to actually change the positioning and how the vertebra sits on the disc and how the ligaments are shaped so that they're not too loose and they're not too tight. To do that, you're going to need pressure over time. Just like a dentist to change or an orthodontist, to change the alignment of your teeth, he's going to have to put pressure on those teeth over a long period of time. Same thing is going to happen with the ligaments and the disc in your neck. So how are we going to do that? We have a tool. This is called a cervical traction or extension traction home unit that you can use at home to help restructure the ligaments in your neck and the disc in your neck with pressure over time. Let me show you how this works. Very simple. You lay down on your back and you slip this little jewel right here, right above the most prominent bone in the neck, that's C7, and then you gently lay back just like this. Now notice that my knees are bent, and I'm just going to completely relax. Now I'm going to show you two things about this particular unit. Number one is it holds pressure right in the area where I need the curve. Number two, it has a second ridge here which gently tractions right at the base of my skull. So I'm getting two benefits here. I'm getting extension and some traction. And there's going to be instructions in the link below on how to use one of these so you can do it at home, get the best results, decrease your neck pain, and improve the ligament and disc health of your spine. Until next time, where we're going to deal with the joints, live life well, and God bless.